Hello friends and welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we explore timeless natural ways to grow healthier plants and nourish your soil. Today I'm excited to share a simple but powerful Eastern European tradition that has been used for generations to enrich kitchen gardens and build vibrant living soil without relying on synthetic fertilizers. This trick is called green manure, and while the name might sound a little funny, it's one of the most effective ways to restore tired soil. In Eastern Europe, gardeners have long used cover crops like buckwheat, clover, and field peas to feed the earth naturally. These plants are grown not to harvest but to be cut and turned back into the soil while they're still young and tender. When you do this, you add organic matter that breaks down quickly, improves the soil's structure, and releases nutrients your herbs and vegetables can access right away. One of the reasons this method is so effective is because green manure crops have deep root systems that loosen compacted earth. This helps water soak in more evenly and creates pathways for air to circulate around plant roots. In my own kitchen garden, I've noticed that after using green manure for just one season, the soil becomes darker, softer, and full of earthworms. That's a sign of healthy microbial life working together to feed your plants. The process is easy to start. Simply sow your chosen cover crop in any empty bed or even around established plants if you have gaps. Let it grow for about 4 to 6 weeks until the plants are about 6 to 10 inches tall. Then, cut them down with shears or a scythe and leave the trimmings on top of the soil as mulch. After a few days you can lightly fork them in or let them decompose naturally on the surface. This creates a protective layer that locks in moisture and prevents weeds while the nutrients slowly return to the soil below. One of my favorite cover crops is buckwheat because it grows quickly, attracts pollinators, and breaks down beautifully into rich organic matter. Clover is another fantastic choice because it also fixes nitrogen, an essential nutrient that helps leafy herbs like basil, mint, and parsley thrive. If you're worried about the extra work, don't be. This method saves time in the long run. Your soil stays loose and fertile, so you'll spend less effort weeding, watering, and fertilizing later. And because you're feeding your soil with plants instead of synthetic chemicals, you're building a living ecosystem that supports healthy growth season after season. If you've never tried this Eastern European trick, I encourage you to give it a go. You'll be amazed at how quickly your kitchen garden soil comes back to life. If you found this guide inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to Gentle Herb Living and click the bell so you never miss our natural gardening tips. Share this video with fellow gardeners who want to grow thriving plants the traditional way. Let's rediscover old wisdom and build healthier gardens together.